If you could push a button and get traffic, would you? As content creators, we all dream of effortless reach. But the reality is, consistent growth requires strategic effort. In this video, we're diving deep into actionable tactics to boost your audience engagement and drive significant traffic to your content. Knowing who you're speaking to is fundamental. Research your ideal viewer or reader. What are their pain points, interests, and preferred platforms? Tailoring your content to their specific needs ensures it resonates deeply and attracts the right people. This deep understanding allows you to create content that truly solves problems or entertains. When your audience feels seen and understood, they are more likely to engage, share, and return for more. This builds a loyal community. Search engine optimization isn't just for websites, it's crucial for video and blog content too. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Think about what your audience is searching for and optimize your content to appear in those results. Beyond keywords, focus on topic authority. Create comprehensive, valuable content that establishes you as an expert. High-quality, well-researched pieces naturally rank higher and attract more organic traffic over time. Traffic isn't just about views, it's about connection. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster discussions. Active engagement signals to algorithms that your content is valuable, often leading to increased visibility and reach. Host Q&A sessions or live streams to interact directly with your audience. This builds a strong sense of community and loyalty. Engaged viewers are your best advocates, sharing your content and bringing in new traffic. Your platform's analytics are a goldmine of information. Study which content performs best, where your audience comes from, and their watch time. Use these insights to refine your strategy and replicate success. Identify patterns in your top-performing content. What topics, formats, or lengths resonate most? Data-driven decisions help you optimize your content calendar and focus your efforts where they yield the greatest returns. Regularly publishing high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and signals to algorithms that you're an active creator. Consistency builds anticipation and trust, encouraging viewers to return. Develop a content schedule that you can realistically maintain. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, stick to it. This predictability helps your audience know when to expect new content, fostering a habit of consumption. Ready to transform your content creation journey? Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for more creator insights, and share this video with a fellow creator who needs a traffic boost. Let us know in the comments, what's your biggest traffic challenge?